Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been buzzing around for a while, blockchain technology. But what exactly is it? And more importantly, how will it change the world? If you're not from a technical background, don't worry, I'm going to break it all down using simple, everyday examples. Let's get started. What is blockchain? Alright, let's start with the basics. Imagine you and your friends are planning a trip, and everyone's chipping in to pay for things like tickets, food, and hotels. You need to keep track of who paid for what, so you decide to create a shared document that everyone can see and update. Now, what if someone tries to change the amounts later on? How would you know? Blockchain works kind of like that shared document, but it's way more secure. It's a digital record, or ledger, that everyone in the network has a copy of. Every time something is added or changed, everyone's copy gets updated. And here's the key part. Once something is recorded, it's really hard to change it. This makes blockchain super trustworthy. Why is blockchain important? Now, let's talk about why blockchain is a big deal. Think about how we do things today. Whether it's sending money, signing contracts, or buying something online, we often rely on middlemen like banks, lawyers, or companies to make sure everything is legit. But what if we could do all these things directly with each other, without needing a middleman? That's where blockchain comes in. Let's say you want to send money to a friend who lives in another country. Normally, you'd go through a bank or a payment service, which might take a few days and charge you a fee. With blockchain, you can send that money directly, almost instantly, and at a lower cost. This is just one example of how blockchain can make transactions faster, cheaper, and more transparent. How will blockchain change the world? So, how will blockchain change the world? Let's look at a few areas. Finance. We've already mentioned how blockchain can simplify payments, but it goes beyond that. Imagine being able to borrow money, invest, or even insure something, all without needing a bank. Blockchain makes this possible, especially in places where banking services are hard to access. Supply chains. Ever wonder where your food or clothes come from? With blockchain, you can track a product's journey from the farm or factory to your home. This means you can be sure that what you're buying is genuine and ethically sourced. It's like having a complete history of every product you own. Voting. Voting is super important, but it's also something that's vulnerable to fraud. Blockchain can create a secure, transparent voting system where every vote is recorded and cannot be tampered with. This could make elections more trustworthy and accessible to everyone. Healthcare. Imagine if your medical records were stored on a blockchain. You could share them with doctors instantly, securely, and only when you want to. This would save time, reduce errors, and give you more control over your health information. Potential career paths in blockchain. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get involved in this revolution? Here are some career paths in blockchain. Blockchain developer. If you enjoy building things, you could become a developer who creates blockchain applications, like digital wallets or secure voting systems. Blockchain consultant. You could help businesses understand how to use blockchain to solve their problems, much like advising friends on the best route for a trip. Blockchain project manager. If you're good at organizing and leading teams, you could manage projects that bring blockchain solutions to life. Blockchain legal expert. Blockchain is changing how we think about contracts and laws, so there's a growing need for legal experts who understand this technology. Blockchain content creator. If you enjoy teaching others, you could create content that explains blockchain in simple terms, just like we're doing today. How to get started with blockchain. If this all sounds exciting, here's how you can start. Learn the basics. There are plenty of online courses that introduce you to blockchain. Start with the basics, just like learning the rules before playing a new game. Join blockchain communities. Think of these as study groups where you can learn from others, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest trends. Experiment and practice. Try building small projects or writing about what you learn. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Stay curious. Blockchain is constantly evolving, so keep learning and exploring new aspects of this technology. Who knows? You might discover something that really excites you. Conclusion. Blockchain technology is already changing the way we do things, and its potential to reshape the world is enormous. Whether it's making transactions more secure, improving transparency in supply chains, or even revolutionizing voting and healthcare, blockchain is set to have a huge impact on our lives. And the best part? You can be a part of this change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.